Hey, what's up? This is Joe from Joe and Tell. And right now I'm just trying out this, what is this called? Instagram IGTV. I'm not sure exactly how to use this yet. Am I supposed to use it kind of like in this like vloggy form where I'm just holding the phone? Or am I supposed to have it somewhat like this where I have it on a tripod, maybe add a little bit more production value? Maybe so I can post faster, post more often, you know, just straight from my Pixel 2 XL? Ignore that thing though. Or maybe I should use this mirrorless camera and not tell you it's not from my smartphone, so you'll always wonder how come my video quality is better than your smartphone. I'm not sure how much production value needs to go into this thing. Do I need to color correct this thing? Color correction. Or maybe I should set up this $1,000 mic and this external recorder to improve the sound quality. Is this something I need to do? I'm not sure. Hold on, am I still in focus? My volume's still good? Okay. Yeah, oh, the air conditioning turned on. Oh well, who cares? Anyway, so I'm not sure about all that. I don't know the answer to all those questions. So I still need to review this IGTV, try to figure out what it's for, what it's good for, what it's not good for, what style I'm gonna do these videos, if I'm even gonna continue using this. We'll have to see. What I do know is I do know tech. I specialize in speaker reviews, audio, some photography and video equipment, things like that. Check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/JoeandTell. We have a website that we're working on, joeandtell.com. And check out my kit as well if you're interested in seeing the equipment that I'm using here. And that is at kit.com/JoeandTell. Anyway, leave me a comment, follow, take care.